camping? You ready for our Labor Day weekend trip?
Oh, he's so excited.
Yeah? What about you, babe?
Oh, I can't wait. This is it feels like fall for some reason right now, so it's a little chilly in the morning, which I think it's like the best time to camp. It's not too hot, it's pretty nice when you wake up, you know, you don't have to worry about having ventilation like midsummer. So I'm just super stoked. We're going to our favorite place too, which is Shenandoah here in Virginia. And the camp spot that we ended up getting is right outside the park. So it's only about 5 minutes away from the entrance near the Front Royal area. So anytime we want to hop into the park, all we got to do is, you know, get out of the campsite, drive in the entrance, and then you have that whole entire 105 miles of just straight beautiful scenic road, in my opinion. So we're super excited. You know, our plan is to just kick it, take it easy this weekend, you know, go to a few hikes that are fairly popular, cook on, you know, one of the overlooks, whatever, and we're just gonna go with the flow.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. 'Cause I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery.
Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. It's a beautiful morning here in Shenandoah. We got the fire going. Cass is cooking. Sherman is fed. He went to the bathroom. What are you checking out, baby?
I'm warming up bacon right now. And we're gonna have egg and bacon little tortilla wrap.
There you go. Nice.
Yeah, nice and simple.
This summer I'll be by your side. A wonder that you can't describe.
So just super blessed to get this spot because I kind of booked it last minute too, which is okay. But we've been coming here for a little bit, and we kind of know a lady that runs this place, and she just basically, you know, hooked us up with a pretty nice spot, given that it was only the two of us and a dog. So yeah, it is called a bachelor's pad. And here is the inside of our little Astro.
I still see your face. I go round and round until every sound is a symphony from my heart.